Hey guys, welcome to Clayton Home's Grand Junction. My name's Trent. Let's check out this Fleetwood Prestige we got here today. So getting into it, we have a nice open space for our living room that flows really nicely into our open concept style kitchen. Got a big old bar, nice farm sink if you want to check that out. We also have a 4-burner gas range as well. Space saver microwave up top. Good sized dining room. Can definitely fit a bigger table if you need to. We also have a sliding glass door, so if you like to barbecue outside, makes super easy access for getting in and out. If we're coming all the way through into our hallway, we'll have our 2 nice sized other bedrooms here. Got some nice cubbies in there, store the kids' stuff. Makes it super easy, get it out of the way. Again, coming all the way through, if you do work from home, this home does have an office with a built-in desk, got some cabinets, got some drawers in there, great storage for all your stuff. When we finally get all the way into the rear side of the home, we have a big, big family room. If you like to play games, you like to entertain, you like to watch movies or sports with your family, great space for it. We have massive, massive windows in this guy. So if you have good views on your lot, you can position this and get those prime views. Coming all the way back, we can start checking out the master bedroom bathroom. Again, we got a good sized main bath through there. Updated pendant lights, got the Edison bulbs. People really like those right now. Coming into the master bedroom, we have tons of space. Definitely enough room to move around. Again, big windows in this guy. If you have a good view off your master, you want to wake up to that nice stream, it's right there for you. Then coming through, we do have our sizable closet. You should be able to fit all your stuff in there, and then room for extra stuff as well too. Then getting all the way in here to finally showcase the master bathroom. Again, we have a big deck tub to soak in. Again, if you got those good views, big window over that. Dual vanities, and again, a spacious 16-inch shower stall. But again, that's the Fleetwood homes that we have here. It's the Prestige model. We're blowing it out for $179,900. Come down, check it out, talk to us about it.